Okay.
Tuambie jani yako na Shabiki ile.
Mingi sana.
Thank you.
Good try kufinya hapa kurecord scroll alafu sasa ujifanye una press Jet X.
So nilipigiwa nikiwa home. That was a phone call from Shabiki, ndio nikaambiwa I'm the winner for, that is the weekly challenge, so I'm the winner for the Jimoshe na Jet X campaign, and I was really excited about that. The 250,000 chiefly nitatumia kuboost my biz, juu tena sikuwa na enough stock and stuff, so that will really help me in boosting my business, and perhaps maybe I'll also continue some stalled projects zenye nilikuwa nazo nyumbani. For the rest of the people wako huko nje, I can tell them this is not a scam. Actually, it's real because I've been doing this severally. Sikujua nitafika hapa, and today I'm here and I'm so excited. So it's not a scam. So for as low as 50 bob, you can ingia pale kwa site, you can hop on to the challenge ya Jimoshe na Jet X campaign and try your luck. You could be the next lucky winner.